Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a scanning of a early pregnancy of about 7 weeks. Now the ultrasound is frequently done to confirm early pregnancy, but an ultrasound doesn't immediately show what women might expect. It is typically not until a woman is 6 weeks pregnant that any part of the fetus is visible, which allows the doctors to determine whether a pregnancy will be viable. Now you can see the gestation sac in the uterus and a small fetal bole along with the umbilical vesicle are visible. Most practitioners wait until at least 6 weeks to perform the first pregnancy ultrasound. However, a gestation sac can be seen as early as 4.5 weeks after the last period, and a fetal heartbeat can be detected 5 to 6 weeks of the pregnancy, though it might not be always be visible at this stage. Now you can see the umbilical vesicle or the yolk sac. Umbilical vesicle is visible along with this is the fetal pole, a small fetal pole. There is no ultrasound image of the baby for weeks 1 or 2 while the healthcare provider counts these 2 weeks towards your due date. You are not really pregnant. Your pregnancy due date is calculated using the first day of your last menstrual period, LMP. Now you can see the fetal cardiac activity. Now this fetal cardiac activity is visible and audible at this stage. This pregnancy measures about 7 weeks. The gestation sac is usually seen on ultrasound by 5 weeks of gestational age, but it is sometimes seen as early as 3 weeks of gestational age. When identified on the ultrasound, the diameter of the sac is around 2 to 3 millimeter and is seen as a white rim around a clear center in the uterus. Now again you can see the fetal cardiac activity is visible, audible. Now a review of over 50 medical studies show that ultrasound do not pose any danger to mom or the fetuses. They do not cause birth defects, childhood development, or intellectual problems or cancer. Now the gestational sac contains amniotic fluid and surrounds the embryo. You may see the gestation sac in the ultrasound as early as 4.5 weeks to 5 weeks of gestational period. Now you can see the fetal cardiac activity. It is clearly visible and audible. Now baby still at 1 week, the baby still only measures just 2 inches long from the top to head to the rump, about the size of a prune. Most of it is its head, which makes up about half of the baby's entire length. In a few weeks, the baby's head and body will become more proportional. A pregnancy that doesn't show any ultrasound scan is called pregnancy of unknown location. The most common reasons for pregnancy not appearing on ultrasound scan are it is too soon to see the baby on the scan or the patient may have a miscarriage. Pregnancy symptoms during week 3 Some women feel pregnant even before the test is positive, but most do not notice anything yet. If you have symptoms this week, some of them may feel like PMS. Progesterone relaxes muscles throughout the body, including the digestive tract. Now you can see the fetal pole, and blood flow is also seen inside the fetal pole. Now, your soon to be fetus is still a cluster of cells in 3 weeks that are growing and multiplying. It is about the size of pinhead. It takes about 4 days for your fertilized egg, now dubbed blastocytes, to reach the uterus, and another 2 to 3 days to implant. Now, an ultrasound scan can identify pregnancy inside the uterus 17 days after the egg has released from the ovary ovulation. This is approximately 3 days after the missed period in a woman with regular menstrual period. A pregnancy test, however, becomes positive 3 days before the menstrual period is missed. Now, there is a question that either sperm can be seen on ultrasound. So various studies show that in conclusion, there is a first time in the medical literature that concentrated sperm suspension has been used as a highly echogenic material that can be detected with ultrasound. Now on 4 weeks pregnancy ultrasound, the amniotic fluid and amniotic sac are forming into protective cushions for baby, and on a 4 week pregnant ultrasound, all of that just looks like a tiny dot called the gestation sac. Chances are though you would not have an ultrasound at 4 weeks. Now the at 5 weeks pregnancy, if the test is negative, you are able to tell approximately a weeks after conception that you are pregnant by taking a sensitive pregnancy test at your general practitioner clinic. A home test may give a false negative at this stage, however. Now, can a empty gestation sac still may have a baby? Yes, this is dependent upon the size of the sac. Now, the early pregnancy symptoms are overheating, headache, cramping and urge to pee, dizziness, constipation, false periods, cold and flu, heartburns, mood swings. And the most common early signs and symptoms of the pregnancy includes missed periods if you are in your childbearing age and a week or so has passed without the start of the expected menstrual cycle. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.